Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, automated investing or financial advisors. In this video, we'll discuss which one saves you more money. And if you're serious about growing your wealth, choosing the right investment is the key to approach it. So today we are comparing the cost, benefits, and which one is best for you. So let's dive in. Automated investment is also known as robo-advisors. It basically uses AI-driven algorithms to manage your investment. It's low cost, requires no experience, and automatically rebalances your portfolio. Fee typically ranges from 0.25% to 0.5%, making it an affordable choice for most investors. Compared to the financial advisors, it offers customized investment strategies and retirement plan with tax advice. While they provide expert guidance, they have much higher fees, typically 1% of your assets or more. That might not sound like much, but over the decades, it can cost you hundreds of thousands in lost returns. So saying that, you must be thinking, which option keeps more money in your pocket? So comparing the two, automated investment, the wins is that it gives you low fees, simplicity, and long-term saving. On the other hand, financial advisors, they are best for high net worth individuals who need complex financial planning. But for most people, automated investment is smarter and most cost-effective choice. I hope this video was helpful for you in choosing which one saves you more money. Thank you for watching.